Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are well and good. So today in this video we are going to learn about the special keys on the keyboard. So children, let us start. Children, there are some special keys on the keyboard which are used for some special purposes. Those keys are the backspace key, the delete key, the spacebar key, the enter key, the caps lock key, shift key, home key, end key, control key, punctuation key and the tab key. All these keys are the special keys on the keyboard. So children, first we will start with the backspace key. What is the use of the backspace key? If we press on the backspace key, the letters that are on the left side of the cursor, the letters that is on the left side of the cursor will be deleted. See children, if we press the backspace key on the screen, the characters that are on the left side of the cursor is getting deleted. This is the work of the backspace key. Next is the delete key. What is the use of delete key? Children, if we use the delete key removes the character that is on the right side of the cursor. As you can see here, if we have to delete the characters that are on the right side of the cursor, we will use the delete key. So children, our next special key is spacebar. Children, I hope you all have seen a spacebar. The spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard, and the spacebar is used to give a space between two letters or any two words. Okay, we can give a space with the help of a spacebar key. Children, our next special key is the enter key. What is the enter key, children? If we press the enter key, by pressing the enter key, the cursor moves to the next line. This means if we have to move the cursor to the next line, we have to press the enter key. The cursor will move to the start of the next line. Okay, so this was one of the special key. Our next special key is a caps lock key. Caps lock key lets you type capital letters on the screen. So if you press the caps lock key, whatever you type on the keyboard, all the letters will appear in capital on the screen. The caps lock key lets you type letters in capitals. The caps lock key indicator light glows when the caps lock key is on. Indicator light is there on the caps lock key. If you turn on the caps lock key, that indicator light will glow just like the num lock key. Okay, so as you turn on the caps lock key, whatever you type on the keyboard, everything will appear as capital letters on the computer screen. Okay, so this was the function of the caps lock key. Our next special key is the shift key. Okay children, shift key can be used to type capital letters when the caps lock key is turned off. When the caps lock key is turned off, normally when the caps lock key is turned off, if you type anything, it will appear in small letters. But at that time, if you want to type in capital letters without turning on the caps lock key, then you have to use the shift key. By pressing the shift key, if you press on any of the letters or any of the characters, that will appear as capital letter on the screen. Okay, as well as the shift key is also used in combination with other keys to perform various other functions. And another thing you should know, that when the caps lock key is turned on, generally when we type anything on the computer, it will come in capital letters. But at that time, when the caps lock key is turned on, if you press the shift key and you start typing, you will see all the letters will appear in small. Okay, so it is just vice versa. This means if the caps lock key is turned off and you use the shift key, it will give the capital letters, and when the caps lock key is turned on, and at that time if you use the shift key, it will give the small letters. So when the caps lock key is off, the shift key will give the capital letters, and when the caps lock key is turned on, the shift key will give the small letters. The next special key is the home key. The home key moves the cursor to the start of the line. The home key moves the cursor to the start of the line. Okay, if suppose you have written a line and the cursor is at the end of the line or in the middle of the line, at that time if you press the home key, the cursor will directly move to the start of the line. Where the line is started, at that position the cursor will be placed. Okay, so the home key moves the cursor to the start of the line. Next is the end key. The end key moves the cursor to the end of the line. The home key moves the cursor to the start of the line, and the end key moves the cursor to the end of the line. Okay, so these are the two special keys present on the keyboard, the home key and the end key. Home key moves the cursor to the start of the line and end key moves the cursor to the end of the line. Okay, our next special key is the CTRL key. CTRL stands for the control. Okay, so we can say these as the control keys. The CTRL keys means the control keys. Okay, there are two control keys on the keyboard. As you all know, there are two control keys on the keyboard. The control key, when used in combination with the other keys, serves as shortcuts for performing various functions. If we use the control key with various other keys, it serves as a shortcut for various functions that we could perform on a computer. So to use the shortcuts, we will use the control key in combination with the other keys. Our next special key is the punctuation keys. What are punctuation keys, children? When typing, we can use various punctuation keys like the comma, full stop, semicolon, double quote, single quote. Various type of punctuation marks are there we use. So the keys which are having those punctuation marks are called the punctuation keys, through which we can give the punctuations while typing. Next is the tab key. What is the tab key, children? Tab key, if we press a space bar key, the cursor only gives a single space and moves forward. But if we use the tab key, then the cursor will move forward a few space ahead. Okay, a cursor will give 5-6 spaces in between and will move forward. Got it? So this is the use of the tab key. The tab key, the cursor, if we press the tab key, the cursor shifts a few spaces in forward direction. So children, let it be up to this. I hope you enjoyed the class. This is the end of the chapter. We will meet again in my next video. So till then, thank you very much and have a nice day.